Hello and good afternoon, everybody over at Action Siding Roofing. My name is Josh. I am the owner and CEO of Midwest Valley Marketing, located right in Richmond. A little bit about me. I know this seems kind of out of the blue. I spoke with a gentleman about a month ago. I want to say his name was Justin or Jason, but don't even hold me on that because I don't recall. But anyways, he told me to reach out to a gentleman named Steve over at a marketing department, I believe it was. So that's what this video is going to be for, is you, Steve. I'm going to give you guys a call, make sure I got the right email for you, get that over to you, as well as knowing and talking to a gentleman prior. I also know somebody who works for you, a salesman, Steve Spalding. He knows me from my current and hopefully previous employer, Crum Siding and Roofing. I know they're probably one of your guys' bigger competitors. So with that being said, we'll get right into how I can offer you guys some help, because to me it's a little personal and I would love to see you guys succeed greatly. Anyways, so we're going to go right into step one here. We have your website. I think you guys have great backbones to your website. It's a little congested. You got a lot of things crammed in. I get it's showing all of it, and that's great. I mean, we can keep all of that if we were to consider doing a website rebuild. I don't think there's any need for a complete remodel or redo of your website, just to rebuild it a little bit. Going on that tangent with your website, there's a whole bunch of things. Action, this isn't clickable. You got these clickable services. We could probably clean a lot of this up. Anyways, another thing that we need with websites is content. And you guys don't have a ton of content. This is our content right here, and right here. Otherwise, there's not a lot on here. We would like to have anywhere between 1,000 and 1,500 words just on your homepage alone. Not to mention all your other back pages that need to have anywhere between 500 and 1,000, as well as loaded with keyword that Google finds acceptable for this niche. So we can make sure we have proper keywords in your content and get you guys ranking organically with our SEO services as well. On that tangent, we're also going to go on to right here. We have your Facebook page, and I think this is your Facebook page. I was not able to find it. I would like to hear a follow-up call back just to make sure I'm looking at the right one. That way I have the right information I'm giving you guys. If this isn't you, that's great. If this is you, as you probably know, it needs a bunch of work. So that's one thing we do. We also offer a social media package, which we can manage and redo all of your Facebook pages, or if you guys are on Twitter, on LinkedIn, if you're on Instagram, whatever you may be on, we can manage all of those for you. But so one reason I know you guys are struggling a little bit is my little tool here called Ahrefs. I can kind of take different businesses and compare each and every one of them on this. Right now we have you guys up. A few things I like to look at is your backlinks. 281. It's a little on the low end, but not bad. Referring domains, we definitely probably need to boost this up. And organic keywords, I was kind of talking about that a little bit. That's the keywords that people are searching on Google, and that's how Google makes them find you. So we needed to do keyword research for you guys that will really help boost you up in Google and get people coming to your website. But like I said, so here's your guys's. I am going to go into Google here and to the GMB, which is another thing we offer. We offer GMB optimization as well as setup. So we could get this set up for you guys, because I don't see you on here in the first 10, 15. I don't see you guys on here. So we can definitely get you guys into here as well. Like I said, I come from Crum Siding and Roofing. I'd like to get out of this. I truly enjoy being able to do this side of business, which is marketing, helping companies expand and grow. But with that being said, back to my tool here, we can take Crum's URL, and we can put it back into this tool I like to call Ahrefs. The search. Let's see if I even did that right. I didn't do that right. We have a massive URL. So we can take their URL versus you guys. So we're going to go back here with this just to get your numbers. once more so I can show you. It wants to load. But this is a tool that I really enjoy using because I can get a lot of information off this. This is some of the analytics that Google bounces off and comes back to and loads up into this. So this is a great tool for us to be able to use. So here's you guys 281, 54, 166. And let's you put your competition in here. I can put any website, any sort of thing in here. Come on. Goodness. Really struggling today. Let's just do it this way. Will Chrome site and roofing. Search them organically. Grab their website. There we go. That looks a little better. So we're going to copy. We're going to paste that there. Sorry about this. This is not cooperating with me today. But so here's where I was talking about how I can kind of tell where you guys are lacking a little bit and kind of how much work needs to be put in order to get you guys ranking better on Google. They're almost double you in backlinks, and they are triple you in referring domains, as well as double you in organic keywords. So this is kind of where a baseline of our SEO services begin. It takes a ton of research, which I'd be happy to do for you guys. If you want to follow up, we can do a deep dive call. And I know this was a lot of information, kind of like I said, out of the blue, throwing it at you. Hopefully it resonates a little bit. Maybe we can stay in touch with the right people. I'd like to know who I spoke with as well. I'll call Steve and have a chat with him and maybe get him to show you guys this. But anyways, with that being said, those are some of the services and help we can offer you guys. If you would like to hear more, give us a call or give me a call direct back Feedly. Give me a call direct so we can get some feedback. With that being said, thanks guys. Have a great day.